This video, we are going to see how to use some product along with some actual use cases. So suppose this is my data where there are some items. This is the price for single item. This is the number of items sold. I want to find the revenue. So what I used to do is I just multiply unit price with this quantity, drag it from top to the bottom. Now here I apply the sum function is equal to sum. So I get that the 1000 is my total revenue. The same thing can be achieved by using some product function and without creating this helping column. So for this, go to the location where you want to get the results. Type there is equal to some product. Select the first array, then press comma, select the second array. So this function actually multiplies the elements of both the arrays, array 1 and array 2, and then sums the products of these two arrays. You see the same result has been achieved using sum product function. So the sum product function multiplies arrays together and returns the sum of products. Here also we can use the same way is equal to sum product. This is my first array, comma, this is my second array. And here if I am interested in finding only for computers, what is the quantity? So quantity is from this column and revenue. For revenue, you have to multiply both these columns, one for unit price and one for quantity also. So here I'm going to use the filtering also. So what I'll do is equal to sum product. In the braces, I'll be selecting these are the items in which I want to find for computers. Let's make this item, this list as constant by pressing F4. Go at the end, close this, then multiply this with, because we want to find the quantity is in this column. Close the braces, then close the sum product braces, press enter. You see that our results have been achieved now. So simply make it also constant, drag it from top to the bottom. So the mouse is 3. And in order to find the revenue, I'll use the same way is equal to sum product. My first array will be in this one. I want to find for computers only. So multiply this with unit price column and also multiply this with quantity column. Make it as constant. So we get the revenue for both items. For computers it is 600, for mouse it is 300 sales. In this example we are going to see that if your suppose you do some trainings and the hours are in some text format, then if you select them then you don't get the total sum value in the status bar. Another way is you convert this text uh, as a time to time value. So we'll type here time value, select the text format, click on enter, drag it from top to the bottom. Now if you select these values, you see the total duration of these trainings is 60 hour 59 minutes in the status bar. The same thing can be done using sum product function also is equal to sum product. then give it this function time value. Then here you just give the text, time text format. You see the values are not 100% correct. It should be shown as hour and minute. And if it is going beyond 24 hours of clock, then we can go to custom. We put hour in braces so that it, even if the hours are beyond 24, it should keep on adding. So now you see that I have got 60 hour 59 minutes as the total duration of training, which is actually matching with this one. So so here I've written, if the times are written as text in HH:mm format, you can use the sum product function combined with time value to sum them. And this is the function which you use. Make sure to format the result cell as H:mm. H should be in square brackets to display that total correctly if it exceeds 24 hours. And sometimes in this function here in some product function, sometimes before time value we put minus minus twice. Why we use minus minus inside of some product function? This is to convert true or false to 1 and 0 because all formulas do not understand true or false. So hope it was informative. Thank you for watching the video.